Really worthwhile project. Now, when you talk about battery-powered vehicles, the Tesla or maybe even a milk float springs to mind. But in Southampton, they're doing the things on a bigger scale. Well, there's a new generation of massive carriers that move cargo between ships and lorries at the container port, which are more environmentally friendly. Our transport correspondent Paul Clifton has gone for a ride and sent us this report.
These giant machines are called straddle carriers. Their job? To move containers between trains, lorries and the cranes which load them on and off ships.
If you don't like heights, it's not the job for you.
Stuart Bailey is driving a brand new one, powered partly by battery.
So we look down, line our pins up.
So we're running completely on batteries, isn't it?
Completely on batteries. Our batteries are charged by lowering off when the braking. Hoisting will affect the battery. Has a diesel backup to recharge when we're stopped. Really nice, great machine. Very quiet, a lot quieter than the old ones.
The old diesel engine straddle carriers were noisy and polluting. These ones are virtually silent.
The port has 12 of these and it's buying 12 more.
When I'm lowering off and when I'm braking, it recharges the batteries. As it indicates up there that I've got full battery and it will last all day, yeah.
Half of all imported goods sold on Britain's high streets pass through here. The container port is keen to point out its emissions are only a small part of Southampton's pollution problem. Road transport is the biggest cause, though many of the heavy lorries are heading here.
Well, if we compare what we had as straddle carriers in 2011 and what we will have early next year, we will have a 50% reduction in nitrogen dioxide. But I would like to say that the docks actually in total are only a very small part of the total emissions in the city. It's basically less than 10%.
Far above the ground, the straddle carriers are not easy to drive.
Oh, this is confusing. How do you do this all day?
To go left, you turn the steering wheel to the right. It's very confusing.
Yeah, I don't want to go into the sea.
No, I don't want to go in that either, thank you.
That would be messy.
Okay.
There's no single solution to reducing port pollution. Getting emissions down will involve many separate incremental steps like this, and it will take years. Paul Clifton, BBC South Today, Southampton Docks.